Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and informative topic to discuss: ethical hacking. In this video, we'll dive into the world of ethical hacking, explore its significance in cybersecurity, and understand how it helps protect individuals and organizations from malicious attacks. So, let's get started. In a world where cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving, ethical hacking plays a vital role in safeguarding our digital lives. But what exactly is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, is the practice of deliberately assessing the security of computer systems, networks, and applications. Ethical hackers, or cybersecurity professionals, simulate real-world hacking scenarios with proper authorization and for legitimate purposes. The objective of ethical hacking is to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses in systems and networks before malicious hackers can exploit them. By proactively assessing and testing security measures, organizations can take appropriate actions to strengthen their defenses. Ethical hackers use a variety of tools and techniques to uncover vulnerabilities. They perform activities such as vulnerability scanning, network sniffing, password cracking, social engineering, and penetration testing. These actions simulate real-world attack scenarios to identify weaknesses that could potentially be exploited. The benefits of ethical hacking are significant. By identifying vulnerabilities before malicious hackers do, organizations can patch security flaws, enhance their overall security posture, and protect sensitive data from being compromised. Ethical hacking helps organizations stay one step ahead of cyber threats. It allows them to proactively identify weaknesses and implement appropriate measures to prevent potential breaches and attacks. For individuals and businesses, the importance of ethical hacking cannot be overstated. By conducting regular security assessments and engaging ethical hackers, organizations can instill confidence in their customers, protect their reputation, and maintain the trust of their stakeholders. It's important to note that ethical hacking is conducted within legal and ethical boundaries. Ethical hackers obtain proper authorization from the owners of the systems they are testing and follow strict guidelines to ensure their activities are lawful, responsible, and do not cause harm. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, ethical hacking is a crucial component of comprehensive cybersecurity strategies. It helps organizations identify vulnerabilities, strengthen their defenses, and ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of their systems and data. That concludes our exploration of ethical hacking. We hope you found this overview informative and gained a better understanding of its significance in cybersecurity. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.